Beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching me for the first time, thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare rice fufu. It's very easy. So however, I've already soaked the rice. As you can see, the rice is over soaked. So let's go. So I'm going to rinse the water out and wash it like this. As you see this. Rinse it like this. So I want to blend it for you. So beautiful people, as you can see, all we have to do is to grind the rice smooth and see the rice. So I've grind it. So I want to turn it for you to see. So beautiful people, I'm going to turn it for you. So I'm on my fire. Okay, so put small hot water inside, turn it very well. Okay, so turn it very well. This is rice fufu. You continue to stir it like this.
There are many times you feel not right, tossing and turning.
As you can see, the rice
as that day goes by, it seems like
coming
you're
up.
into dark. But when the darkness
Continue to
turns to
stir it
light,
like this.
all the troubles fade away to nothing. And it tells me everything's gonna be okay. Obana Michelle, Obala Kedada,
see this rice.
We have come very far to lose the smile on our face. The love we share, none compares to the one we have in heart. The game has just begun. It's not too late to win at the end. Kani mokola kabo wanyami, go in and hold on.
So I'm going to put small water and cover it. So all you have to do is to turn it. As you can see, the water, it has dried. See this rice. See, no slump, smooth. So I'm going to pack it. So off the fire. Okay, so I'm going to pack it for you to see.
Hold on, baby.
So packets. This is very nice. This is rice fufu. See? Rice fufu. So beautiful people, as you could see, the rice fufu is ready. You can take it with stew, okra, ayoyo, ewedu, and any soup you like to use. Is very good. It's very nice. As you can see, this is very nice. This is this is very nice for me. Take it with any soup of your choice. So thank you very much. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you. Bye. God bless you. Stay blessed. Mwah.